When you do mudra, mantra, and yoga poses, there will be signs that tell you that you're doing it right. For example, you might see a flash of white light in your head behind your third eye, usually, that you're doing something. And that's kind of like Kundalini connecting to the heart at the top in the middle of the head. So if you look at the way the Ida and Pingala meet in the middle at the Sushumna, that's you connecting your bodily energy circuits, like at the soul level, to that trinary crossover point, and it lights up and you can see it, and it's like kind of physical, like it is physical, and it's overlapping pathways that were esoteric in nature that you thought you could only visualize, but it actually has a physical manifestation. The more you do this, the more you are regulating your psychic circuitry and strengthening it. And this leads to activated power. It gives you talents because you're working on your talents, but it's the battery for the talent. You're working on how you charge yourself. And when it comes to these talents, the way you would see them isn't always on the outside of your body. It might be on the inside, and that is usually where it's more important. If we had machines that we could afford, and it's affordable when you're someone who can afford it. But there are some cheap ones, but like something that would detect your bioelectrical levels and how the energy is moving in your body, where there's heat, where there's a change, and if your blood has changed, if your body's physical composition has changed, any fluid levels, any type of fluid, before and after. If you have a before and after about not just your physical physique, but your lab results. Like you do your own labs and you do the magic, you do the work, you would see it. You would have physical, tangible proof. And you wouldn't have to wait on another group to bring out the study, and then you tell your friends or whoever you told and say, I told you so, or you have that I told you so thought in your mind. You're like, well, I knew this already.